Yeah, but dabba-doo. Leave a message, we'll get back to you.
It is I, that hero of heroes, El Kabong, alias Quick Draw McGraw, but don't let anyone know I told ya. Leave your message when you hear my blood-curdling cry. Kabong!
Hello, Fred Flintstone speaking. Wilma? Why, of course. Wilma, it's for you. She can't come to the phone right now. I'll take a message for her. Oh, yeah, and for those other people that live here, too.
Heavens to Murgatroyd! You've reached the Snagglepuss answering service, of whom I'm. Neither rain, nor snow, nor dark of night, nor gloomy night, nor knight in shining armor even, shall keep me from delivering your message. Start talking when you hear me exit. Stage left.
Listen, you rockhead. Quit calling this number. I work hard in the quarry all day for my measly few clams. Then I come home to relax with a frosty cactus cooler, and you keep calling. What? You are trying to reach Fred Flintstone, aren't you? You're not? Oh. Never mind. Leave a message.